guys, it's Nick here from the Black Ruby Gaming team, and today I will be reviewing triggers on Geometry Dash. So, my last video was on color triggers, so next we're going to do some move triggers, because those are the simplest and those are the most confused somehow, even though they're quite simple. So, this looks like a bunch of confusing crap, so yeah, that's done, and a video. I hope you I'm just kidding. So first you need to place down the blocks you want to move. I'll just have that as what I want to move. So now go into the move, and crap, I accidentally did that. Anyways, go into the move, and then you'll see this. So move X, you can type in anything you want, but you can only use this to the hundreds and -100. So this is to move left and right. So 100 would be moving 10 blocks to the left, because 10 of this equals 1 block. So 100 would be moving 10 blocks to the right, not the left. And Y is pretty self-explanatory. 100 would be 10 blocks up, and -100 would be -100 would be 10 blocks down. So let me just set up -20 because I want it to go down, and then 20 because I want it to go right. And target group ID 1, I guess. And I will put these blocks to the first group, which is one group, and that is the one I have selected. So now if I go into this, it moves. So now that you have that, you can change this. This is a half a second. So 1 would equal a second, 1.5 would equal 1.5 seconds, 2 would equal 2 seconds, and so on. Easing is just, you have to experiment with easing because I can't really explain it. It's just how it looks when it comes in and out. So lock to player X is a very popular part to use, and so is lock to player Y. So let me just show you. So lock to player X, I'll just make this level nice and long. Okay, so locking to player X will lock these blocks to the player's X for as long as the move time is. So you want it to basically go forever. Bam, do that. So move lock to player Y is basically the same thing. See? Now I'll show you lock to player Y, and then I'll show you both at the same time. It's not very useful to use lock to player Y without using lock to player X, but you use them both at the same time and it doesn't look half bad. So here's both of them. Actually looks like a character that you could animate, so you could possibly do something with that in your levels. So that I'm going to throw in a little bonus, the shake trigger. Now, even though it says strength and you can do that, and duration you can do that, don't. Just don't. So the interval is how many seconds between each shake. So this is what it looks like if you do as much as you possibly can. Yeah. So don't use the shake trigger that much. Don't spam it. I'm just going to delete that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like down below if it was helpful, and comment if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching, and stay for the ear rape at the end. I don't know why I like doing that.